Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find all of the fan ports on ASUS TUF gaming motherboard. And let's start with a CPU. You should be able to find all of the fan ports right here. So this one on the left is your CPU fan, and the one on the right is AIO pump. Then there's the CPU opt right here. And now let's move on to the chassis fans, and the chassis fan 1 and 2 is located right here under your CPU, and chassis fan 3 and 4 is located on the bottom right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.